Homeowners, would you sell your present home if you could find your dream home? Hi, I'm Jesse Warmka, broker at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Jesse Warmka team. You'll be able to receive priority access to all new listings that match your home buying criteria, and this is how it works. Number one, we are experts at finding listed and unlisted homes that match your buyer's criteria. Simply tell us what you're looking for, and we're going to find it. We will invest the money and the time to make it happen. Number two, we'll invest our marketing dollars to specifically target market the neighborhoods you're interested in to find you the perfect home. Number three, when we find a homeowner that may consider a sale but not yet on the market, we'll inspect the home to ensure it matches your criteria. If we feel the property is a perfect match, we'll set up a private viewing for you. If you love it and decide to make an offer, we'll negotiate on your best behalf at no charge. And number five, once the offer on your new home is accepted, we can help you sell your existing home. It's very easy to get started. Just give me a call or text me at 608-358-0917. I look forward to hearing from you.